Such an incredible award presentation given to Shane Henderson, who had no idea he was going to be the new Milken Award recipient. Such a great award ceremony. We had Mo Green come out to talk to everybody, his superintendent come out to talk about our Panda Pride here, to welcome such an incredible teacher into the Milken family today. I feel like it's going to be an incredible turning point. Shane said it himself. He said he started out as a bus driver, won Bus Driver of the Year, then went to a TA and now a teacher, and I feel like the sky's the limit for him. It's going to keep on going up, and I'm excited to see what's going to be next for Shane. So last year winning the award, being in Mr. Henderson's shoes, it's still that pure adrenaline shock of, oh my gosh, this is me who's winning the award. Now on this side of it, it was really nice to be able to take in and be able to celebrate somebody and actually listen to everything that everybody's saying and hear the introductions and hear all the hard work he's put in to be able to get such an incredible nomination to be a Milken recipient.